At Excelsoft, we passionately believe solid engineering principles should be an integral part of software development. Our motto is to design for quality, review, renovate, and reinforce. In technology, the change is inevitable if you want to drive for the innovation. One of our large customers came to us to modernize their existing large enterprise application, which has tens of modules, hundreds of features, 20 plus complex integrations, a database with 50 terabyte of data, millions of requests per minute. The task was to transform this application module by module, new modules working in parallel with old modules, and each transformation should be uneventful without impacting live end users every single time. We have followed a meticulously designed process to deliver this refactoring with zero production issues. Some of the practices that we followed are: identify the features that gives maximum benefit with minimum risk, new modules and legacy modules runs in parallel, used feature flags extensively, skeleton UX design, new features while piloted in a controlled environment, receive feedback, implement, and make them seasoned. Code churn analysis process was the key to success, and we followed shift left testing strategy. Some of the best industry proven design practices to deliver the quality code. Some of them are: domain driven design is used for splitting monolith application into microservices. Separation of concerns principle was used to minimize the dependency and coupling with monolith application. Solid principles were strictly and religiously followed to deliver the quality code for this refactoring. All these are part of Excelsoft's core engineering design principles. The ripple effect of refactoring this monolith application into microservices is our customer is able to release software every month instead of twice a year. He is empowered to conduct independent deployments, less risk of regression, as each module of this monolith are now independent set of microservices, inbuilt cloud readiness, and lastly, zero downtime deployments. All this refactoring done module by module by ensuring they're available in both monolith and microservices in parallel to allow moving customers gradually. We slowly transitioned the users and switched off the monolith modules. To reinforce, all this refactoring was done without any production incidents. The refactoring was unnoticed from an adverse incident perspective, however, very well noticed by end users who reaped the benefits.